How to add or remove live speech to the accessibility shortcut on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. After that, we scroll down, and in here, tap on Accessibility Shortcut. Next, we scroll down and then tap on Live Speech. Tap on it to select or deselect the menu item. When you select Live Speech, and if you triple click on the side button here, this will open up the Accessibility Shortcuts menu, and in here you'll be able to see Live Speech has been added to the shortcut menu. And that's it. To remove it, simply deselect the item, and that will be removed from the Accessibility Shortcuts menu. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.